Hilton Hotel Reservations. How may I help you?
I want to reserve a room, please.
Certainly, madam. When would you like to stay?
Next Thursday night, that is 15th.
And what type of room would you like? Single or double?
There were two of us going, but now it's only me, so just a single room, please.
If you'd give me just a moment, please. Yes, we do have a single room available on the 15th. The room rate is rupees 1,000.
Wow. Boy, that's a bit more than I expected to pay.
Well, you can try calling other hotels, but you'll find this is pretty standard.
Okay. I don't have the time to call around. I would take the room anyway.
Great. Let me go ahead then and reserve a room for you. Can you tell me your name, please?
It is Miss Sylvia.
What does Sylvia want? A. One single room. B. One double room. C. Two double rooms.
How much will Sylvia have to pay? A. Rupees 1,000. B. Rupees 3,000. C. Rupees 4,000.
On what day will Sylvia stay? A. Wednesday. B. Thursday. C. Friday.
What did the receptionist suggest Sylvia do? A. Come that day. B. To try calling other hotels. C. Make the reservation.
What is the woman's name? A. Perry. B. Penny. C. Sylvia.